Hey guys! Alright, no, alright, hi. So, I'm gonna just do some burping really quick. Kaitlyn! Sorry. Alright. So, here I go. Sorry, gotta sit.
You see it.
Come on. Say hi, Kaitlyn.
Hi.
That's Kaitlyn, and then my dog is there. Okay.
And then you. I too. Let's go.
Alright, that's all I'm gonna do right now. So, bye bye. Ooh, sorry. Bye.